Welcome guys. Let's do Alliance token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and price targets. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonus of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable and these are absolutely free bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is 4-hourly Alliance USDT chart and it is in this ascending channel. Here you can see this is the bottom line, this is the uptrend line, and here you can see several touches towards downside and several touches towards upside. After creating top at $22, Alliance is at $21.33 right now, and it is ascending channel. That means maybe price can go down to retest this zone. If price goes down, then this will be the scenario. Maybe price can go down to retest this scenario and price can go down to 19.75, and if Alliance price broke this, in that case there is a strong support is at that price, $18 price and $17 price. These are absolutely strong areas and these are strong support areas for the Alliance in 4-hour time frame. And if Alliance price broke this channel, in that case there will be the target. Let me please show you the target. Let me please fix this chart. After that, price can easily go down to touch this $26.55 right now. Once it broke this horizontal resistance, $22 price area, in that case it can easily hit $26.50 price area. And if it rejected from this zone, in that case this will be the first support, 19.67. after that $18 and $17 are the support areas. Let me please show you volume. There is a very good volume in Alliance chart. That is very good thing. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are very far and above from this EMA ribbon. That is very good sign, and now this EMA ribbon is turning as a support for the Alliance token. And let me please show you more indicators. First of all, this indicator RSI is at 69 and it is extreme bullish, and price may be further go up, but we have to wait. MACD crossover towards upside and there are very big green towers. That means price can further go up, but there are some towers that are changing their color. This is the indication. Maybe we may see some price drop. If this happen again, then $18 and $17 is the major support areas, are the major support areas for this token. And let me please show you daily chart. Here you can see it is extreme bullish and it is at $21.43 right now. First resistance is at $22.28 and second resistance is at $23.97 price area. And if it rejected from that zone, in that case there will be big support is at this price zone, which is at 17.65, and after that second support area will be this area, and it is very important support to 15.26. These are support areas, and if it broke this $22 price area, in that case our target according to this support and resistance base, our target will be like this. For this I have to fix this chart. $27 will be the target. Once it broke this area, $22, after that $24 and $27, these are two targets in daily chart. And if it rejected from that zone, in that case this is the major support area, is at $17 and after that $15 price area. These are two major support zones in daily charts. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is good volume in daily chart, that is a very good sign. EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is turning as a support, that is good sign because candles are far above, and that is good sign. Let me please show you daily RSI. Daily RSI is extreme bullish and it is at 72. This will be the signal that price maybe can further go up. MACD crossover towards upside, big green towers indicating price can further go up, but we have to wait until it broke this $23 price area. We have to wait. Once it broke and closed daily candle above $23 price area, in that case $27 will be the target, and if it rejected from this zone, then $17 and $15 are the target. Price can go down to touch these zones. We have to be very, very careful. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator, and this is monthly CPR indicator, and these yellow lines are main CPR lines, and it is at, these lines are at $13.84 price zone, and these blue lines are monthly bullish CPR targets, and it hit first target and it was 17.83, and also it break second target and it was 21.82, and the third target will be this $26 price zone. But maybe we may see some consolidation and price can go down to retest $17 price area. We have to be very, very careful. If Alliance price rejected from $22 price area, maybe price can go down to $17. Please remind this. And after that, $15 is a strong spot. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Share this video with all of your crypto friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, Binance $710 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, Huobi $170 bonus. These bounces are absolutely free. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These are absolutely tradable, absolutely free tradable bounces. Just collect these bonuses and trade with these bounces only. Put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. And Alliance is available on Binance and some other important exchanges. This is the link of Binance exchange. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.